I have a VirtualBox and I created a shared folder which is defined here. Now when I restart the VirtualBox, and if you notice that I have Windows Server 2012. Okay, so now it's starting up. Okay, all right. So when I log in, if I open the folder, notice that I cannot find the shared folder. So basically the shared folder is not being mounted. So in order to mount the shared folder, what we need is to download VirtualBox Guest Edition. Okay, let me just shut down the server. Okay, and let's check. We go to about VirtualBox. We find that the version of the VirtualBox 5.2.10. So we need a similar Virtual Guest Edition version. Alright. So you can either download the Virtual Guest Editions from the internet. As an example, if this link is available, we have different versions of the guest editions, or it's already available in the virtual box. You can simply go to applications, then right click the VirtualBox, click on show package contents. In the contents, click on the contents, Mac operating system, you find it, it's right there. Place that easy to find, as an example here. Now what we need to do is to go to settings, go to storage, add a new empty disk, then click on CD, choose virtual. You can get it from here. There is not that one, this is a guest edition, and okay. Now when you start the server, log in, now notice that the guest edition is already there. So when I double click on it, click on it, next, Next, install now finish. Now we log in. Click on the folder. So this is the shared folder. Okay. So now we have the shared folder is available.